Hi there, it's Marlene Helema from ImageMaven.com. Today's the day to update your firmware for a few of the Lumix G cameras. I'm going to be showing you using the Lumix G9, but it works with a list of other cameras as well. Okay, so you go to the downloads page and you can see that there's an update for today. And you scroll through, you can read the features, but then you hit firmware download. Then you go to the downloads page and you can see that there are a bunch of different cameras that have updates today, and they are indicated with the red new symbol there under the date. So choose the one you want. In my case, it's going to be the Lumix G9, and click to the download page. By downloading, you agree to the terms of service, and when you download it, you get a zip file, decompress it, and copy that resulting bin file onto a memory card. Format your memory card before you do this, and put it at the root level of the memory card. Don't put it in any folders. And there you have it, the bin file's on the memory card. You pop the memory card into your camera when the camera is turned off. And when you turn the camera on, you hit the playback button, and that should start the process automatically. Hit yes for start version up, and it takes about a minute or so for this to happen. I've sped up the video here so that you don't have to watch that process. And when it's done, it will reboot the camera. Go into your menu set button and check what firmware version you're using now, and you can see that it updated to version 2. And that's it. I'll be making another video with detailed highlights of the new firmware update, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, update your firmware so you can start testing it out for yourself.